If you see this in your ADT, you have a low battery. So let's change this. How to change it? Let me try to change it. Okay, so you have to lift this up, I think. Is it? Ah, here's it. Ah, wait. So you remove it, and we can see right here. So let's remove this one here. Wait. Okay. And change this. You have to remove the screw and change the new battery. So let's take this off first. Let's use this. Before they change it by their employee, but now they said you can buy it from Amazon and change it for yourself. So this is the battery. Is it the same? Yep. So let's okay, so we just changed the battery, so it still have the notification. So you have to wait 24 to 48 hours for the battery to be fully charged, and this notification will just disappear. Okay, so that's it. So as always stay safe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.